Good morning, my dear students. As you know that we are doing our chapter 10 Government Budget and the Economy. Today we are going to cover the topic of structure or components of the budget. The government budget consists of two types of component. The first is budget receipts and the second is budget expenditure. The budget receipts are further classified as revenue receipts and capital receipts. Similarly, the budget expenditure is also classified as revenue expenditure and capital expenditure. We can also classify budget expenditure as planned and non-planned expenditure. But today the topic we are going to cover is budget receipts, wherein we are going to cover up the revenue receipts. The revenue receipts consist of tax receipts and non-tax receipts. Today we are going to learn and study about both of these types of receipts. Capital receipts includes recovery of loans, borrowings and other liabilities, and other receipts and disinvestment. We will go through all these types of receipts and expenditure one by one. So let's start with the budget receipts. Budget receipts are the estimated money receipts of the government from all sources during the fiscal year. The fiscal year refers to the year for which budget is being prepared. So whatever the estimated money receipts the government is expecting from various sources during that fiscal year, these receipts are known as budget receipts. The budget receipts can be classified as revenue receipts and capital receipts. The revenue receipts refers to those money receipts of the government which do not create any corresponding liability for the government. Means if the government received any kind of money or revenue, then against that no liability of the government arises. And secondly, these receipts also do not cause any reduction in the asset of the government. Money can also be generated by reducing assets like by selling plant and machinery or building or land of the government. But here the revenue receipts is a receipt which do not cause any such reduction in the assets of the government. These revenue receipts are having examples of tax receipts which do not create any liability nor reduce the asset of the government. Grants and donation received by the government. Income from the public enterprises means the government enterprises and their income and profits earned. Registration fees paid by the public to the government. All these types of receipts do not create liability of the government, neither they reduce the assets of the government. The revenue receipts can be further classified as tax receipts and non-tax receipts. Now we will read them thoroughly. What are the components of tax receipts and what are the components of non-tax receipts?